Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me it's 3 o'clock on the 5th of September, and you join me on my way to Tesco's. Purpose of this visit to obtain a tub. What do I want a tub for? Spicy nuts. So if you're following along with the hunt, you'll know that Red Baron dropped them off at the bridge where they did the Great Train Robbery, and somebody picked them up. Don't know who it was. I did attempt to get them, but they weren't there. But my card corrupted, so I lost that footage. Corrupted some of the files. And then they sent some back to Spicy, some of the loot. And left some in the tub and moved the tub up towards Grantham. It was just outside of Grantham, where I stepped in and got the nuts. Currently trapped in this pocket. Obviously I've messaged Spicy and it turned up today. He sent me a package with the rest of the looting. Just for a bit of a laugh, I tried to pack it all back into the tub, and it doesn't fit. I'll put a picture on, because I have sent it to Spicy to tell him that they arrived, and obviously how full the box was. So yeah, that's why I'm off to Tesco's. So now I have the loot. I can look into hiding it now. And this is where I need some help from you guys. If you are in the Staffordshire, Warwickshire, Leicestershire, Derbyshire corner of the world, of the UK, sorry, let me know your nearest town, just so I can gauge an idea of where. Thank you, mate. Just so I can gauge an idea where people are from, so I can use that to plan where I hide the nuts. But yeah, I don't know where everyone is, so if you do that, if you're interested in playing along, as I said, I'd rather try and plot them somewhere a bit closer and get more people involved. So yeah, that is that. And then the other thing that I want to say is a huge thank you to you all, to all my subscribers, because a couple of days ago I hit 100 subs. So yeah, a great big thank you. We of course now well rolled over. I think we're at something like 102 subs. So let's hope we can keep growing. So I feel like I should be doing something to celebrate. I think a little Q&A in order, nice and simple, nice and easy. So yeah, any questions, drop them below and I'll get to them. Obviously 100 subs means that I now qualify for YouTube's custom URL. So as soon as I saw the 100 sub notice, what did I do? Jumped straight onto the Creator Studio. It was telling me to claim my URL. guess what? Claims. So Chris Wallace, not youtube.com/Chris Wallace 959 now takes you to the channel, which means, whoops, a bit too hard on the back, which means now that that's sorted, we can look into some stickers. Because I don't have any. I don't even have a logo. I just literally use a picture of me. So the plan is, at some point, it's probably not going to be the near time, I'm afraid, but I will look into getting a logo sorted and getting some stickers made. I'll do a video with them as and when they are ready. Fucking walking around on his phone, oblivious. Yeah, I'll do a video when they're all ready, and we will go through the process. I'll figure out a way of getting them to you. So, just because I'm riding around Tesco's car park to waste a bit of time, I shall leave it there. Ride safe and take care.